Hi, I'm back with another unboxing of PINCHme, 100% free website where you take surveys and you get free products, free samples. This is the box, and I love how the box is. I love the heart and the colors on it. And this is what the sides look like, and they're different handles from Facebook to Twitter and YouTube and Pinterest and all of that. And it's just so beautiful. And like I said, you just take quizzes and surveys and you can end up winning one of these. And they're all 100% free samples, no credit card required. And let's see what I've got today. PINCHme Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. So this looks pretty cool. Cocktail with intense hydrating oil for even deeper moisture for dry, damaged hair. That would be great for me. Once again, this is a 100% free sample through PINCHme.com because I really have dry and damaged hair. I constantly color my hair. A lot of grays at 33. And who doesn't need Band-Aids? 20 Band-Aids, all different shapes, all different sizes. So who doesn't need Band-Aids? We're always cutting ourselves, or our children are always cutting themselves. So this will definitely come in handy. Everybody could use Band-Aids. Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Let's see. It's got a good smell to it, at least. Not oily. Dermatologist recommended. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it makes it a little bit shiny. Definitely like it. I've got a Scotch Brite Extreme Scrub Sponge, and it looks like it's got a coupon, save 75 cents on one Scotch Brite Extreme Scotch product. That will work. That would do wonders for me because I actually needed a sponge for my dishes. Then I have Sleep Nighttime Powder, which that is great because I use melatonin. So I think I'm going to try this definitely tonight. Then we have Gillette Endurance Deodorant Cool Wave Clear Gel. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. You can either give it to your boyfriend or your husband, or you know what, women? Sometimes, if you run out of deodorant or if you need that extra one, throw it in your purse. It is okay if you have to. It's not going to hurt anything. It's still deodorant. Then we have Gold Bond's Ultimate Strength and Resilience Proteins and Lipids for Aging and Mature Skin. 80% visible improvement in skin texture in just 5 days. Okay. Let's use just a little bit. And let's see how this does. Okay. La, 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 la. I like the smell of that. It has somewhat of a smell. Somewhat. Not too much, but a little bit of one. Don't know if you can tell that I put it on right here. But so Shea Moisture Omega 369 Rescue Bubble Bath and Body Wash. And then Omega 369 Rescue Body Lotion. That's going to be nice to use, most definitely. I like that. Oh, I'm so looking forward to trying this. Think Thin Protein and Probiotics Whey Belgian Chocolate Powder Mix, 20 grams of protein, 1 billion probiotics, high in fiber. I've always wanted to try one of these protein shakes. So now it looks like I will have my chance tomorrow. Then we have a trial pack, mix whites and colors in the same load, Shout Color Catcher dye trapping sheet. It comes with 4. And that is everything in the box. All you have to do is go to PINCHme.com, take surveys, that's it. It's 100% free and you get all these different free samples. That's all you do. Please click subscribe down below. And we will also be discussing depression soon. We will be having different discussions, things like that as well on this channel. And we will be also having more unboxing of the free, 100% free, no credit card required, PINCHme boxes as well. And just hit subscribe down below. And we will keep doing this together. Thank you.